Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open and close a trade on CryptoGuru. So here you have all the coins, you click on trade and click on a coin. So here is Bitcoin. Let's wait a second for the graph to load. So we have more trades, here it is. You click on the buy option and here you can click on buy and sell. Let's buy some, let's buy actually 10. And here you will see a multiplier of 100 and you can enter a buying or a selling price, so a stop loss even if you want to, or a price where it buys the coin on. So I want to try a lower amount, but it needs one at least, so let's do one for now. I do not want to enter that right now. So here we are, we made the trade and you will see here's the trade and what you bought it for. And here you can see you can sell it again. Now you see max 1 at the right side and you can sell it. So we click on sell and now we actually bought it and sold it again, and now we have no positions left. We actually made, I think, a little loss. Yeah, we made like $1 loss. So yeah,